So here's a fun treat we don't make often. Hey guys, it's Merlene here with Savory Thoughts at savorythoughts.com. So in today's video, we are making a delicious, very simple treat for the kids. It is not even a recipe. It's more like a how-to. It is air fryer puff pastry Oreos. Alright loves, so to begin, use your cutting board or a clean surface and lightly dust it with all-purpose flour. Now once you're done, go ahead and add your puff pastry. This is a store-bought puff pastry. So go ahead and roll it out. The flour will help the dough to not stick to the cutting board. So go ahead and remove all the linings and using a rolling pin, lightly roll the dough. You do not want it to be too thin because you don't want your puff pastry to come apart while it is air frying. So go ahead and use either a knife or in this case a pizza cutter and divide it into 9 squares. Go ahead and take your Oreo cookie, place it in the middle and wrap the puff pastry around your cookie. Repeat the process until you have no more cookies left. Once you're done, go ahead and place it in the air fryer and go ahead and air fry for 12 minutes at 350 degrees or until they are nicely golden. And that's it. When you are ready to serve, go ahead and sprinkle powdered sugar on top and you are good to go. Now, how fun was that, right? It's so much better than deep frying. So guys, you too can have a taste of the fair or carnival right in your home and your kids can enjoy those delicious treats. The full how-to is on the website at savorythoughts.com. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining and watching our video. We would love for you to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we don't want you to miss out on any new videos. Cheers.